Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then click on this more button down below on the right side of the screen. Then tap on settings, click on notifications, which is the second option at the top. And here you can see all of the notifications that you can enable, such as timers. So if you enable this feature by tapping on this button on the right side, you will receive push notifications upon the completion of construction, training, healing, traps building, and so on. You can also enable notifications when you are scouted or targeted by enemies. That's the second one, world map. Then alliance notifications, alliance gifts, war, mails, system events, and so on. So just tap on the relevant buttons and they will be enabled automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.